nandito ako ngayon sa Libis and we're here to feature another spa and hotel. 但并不是我要享受，而是我的朋友的福。Tara, samahan natin siya.
Dogs will always be everybody's best friend. Kaya naman we treat them like real people. And to satisfy our best buddies' needs, marami na tayong choices na pwedeng pagpilian bilang reward for their love and loyalty for us.
So here with me today is Mr. Eric Villanueva, one of the owners of the Dog Spa and Hotel. Hello, Sir Eric.
Hello.
How did you come up with this very unique and special concept of the Dog Spa and Hotel?
We couldn't find a one-stop shop where we can buy the things that we need. Usually what we do is we go to one grooming space, and then we go to another, we travel to get the dog food, and then we travel to get the supplies, So we decided to come up with a one-stop shop for dogs. Now, ang problema din namin, pag kunyari aalis kami out of town, or kunyari gusto namin manood ng sine, hindi alam kung saan iiwan yung pets namin. So we came up with a hotel.
Kahit ilang hours lang, a few hours
pwede. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, pwede.
And then the spa, what do we have sa spa?
So there's your regular grooming, yung haircut, nail trim, paw trim, the usual. For us, they deserve the same treatment as us, diba? We get a lot of benefits from them. They should also benefit from us. We should take care of them properly. For us naman, yun nga, di ba, they didn't say naman na a man's best friend. They didn't come up with that phrase for nothing, no? So dogs are really man's best friend. They're really there. No matter what you do with them, di ba, ang lambing pa nila. Yung mga iba, unfortunately, pag napupunta sila sa mga amo na yung pinapalo sila, gano'n. Pero very loyal pa rin sila.
For all the dog lovers out there, please come and visit the Dog Spa and Hotel. Okay, so everybody, it's time to try the services of the Dog Spa and Hotel. And we have here our guest, Darwin. Hello, Darwin. Hello, cute. Hi, Donut. Anong breed?
Chow Chow, and she's currently 1 year and 3 months.
Sassy, chow. Sassy. Oops. Okay, tara, let's try the dog spa na. Liko.
Do visit us. We have 5 branches now, turning 6 and 7 by the end of this year. We have in Q Plaza, in Ortigas Extension, we have here in Libis. We also have in Retiro and Parañaque via Homes. You can visit our page, www.thedogspafphilippines.com, or also you can visit us on Facebook.
哇！观众朋友们，现在轮到我来轻松一下。It's my turn to relax. Pero syempre sa ibang lugar. So, for more cool and exciting treats, samahan niyo ulit kami next Sunday, same time, same channel. Only here on CHInoy TV. 最华电视台，Donut!